Today, we're diving into the XL-YXD294 Industrial Remote Control System. This powerhouse gadget boasts a robust set of features perfect for controlling a variety of devices. With a striking purple color, it's not just functional but stylish too. The 12-channel transmitter gives you unprecedented control over lights, TVs, motors, fans, cameras, and more, all from a whopping 3,000 meters away. Imagine the possibilities. The frequency of 868 MHz ensures a reliable connection, and the 12 channels provide versatility in managing different devices. The receiver is no slouch either. Compatible with voltages ranging from 12V to 48V, it's designed to handle various industrial setups. The 10A relay ensures it can manage heavy-duty equipment, making it an ideal choice for overhead traveling crane systems. Installation is a breeze, and the different output modes add flexibility to tailor the system to your specific needs. Whether it's momentary, latched, or toggle, this remote control system adapts to your workflow seamlessly. The attention to detail is evident in the design, with a compact PCB size of 1,228,717 mm and a durable case measuring 1,459,140 mm. The device is built to withstand harsh conditions, with a working temperature range from -40 degrees Celsius to +80 degrees C. In conclusion, the XL-YXD294 Industrial Remote Control System is a game-changer for anyone needing precise and long-range control over a multitude of devices. It's reliable, versatile, and with that purple flare, a statement piece for any industrial setup. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.